Well, hey guys, it's Eric here at Dayton Dayton Hamcation. It is 8 o'clock on Friday. The sun is shining. If you watched my video last year, pouring rain. I mean, like terrible pouring rain. But today I can tell you right now, if you can get that sun in there, it's going to be hot. So we're going to wander around. I might have some opportunities to talk with people before the place gets too busy, and then we will definitely do some wandering, do some stuff, check out what kind of goodies are here. There's always the coolest stuff. Let's do it. Here we are inside one of the many buildings here, and of course it is before setup here. Like, these folks are just now rolling in. Big players are here. ICOM, of course. DX Engineering's here. I mean, you name it. Flex Radio over there. It's nice. I've already bumped into a few fellow YouTubers, so that's also cool. Of course, you know me, you know where my heart is. It's out in the boneyard. So we'll get out there in a second too. But before this place got too crazy, I did want to take a second and just show you around. Show you some of the cool stuff going on here. And it's just so much. Awesome. Let's check out this other building here. And this stuff just goes on and on and on. Of course, out here in between, we've got some vendors, food vendors. There's coffee and stuff. I'm resisting the temptation to have coffee this morning. Here you can see all the buildings. Lots of stuff going on. Guy ropes here. It's just a little everything. Look at that, some 102 whips.
Actually, I got a whole bunch of silver here. Do you want silver? No, I don't use it.
These are great, some ruggedized laptops over here. Yaesu booth, which isn't open yet. Massive. Quicksilver radio, diamond antennas. I mean, if you're looking for pretty much anything radio related, this is the event. A lot of vendors don't come to the medium-sized events anymore, but these guys do. Every one of them. Gigaparts is a big one. I bought some stuff from them over the years. Wireman. And it just keeps going. Some tactical gear here. Radio gear.
Then you got to buy a bigger one because then you want to run longer. I'm just saying.
Just an awesome amount of equipment being laid out. And although it's early, in about 2 hours you won't be able to walk through here. It'll be so busy. That's something I learned last year, was that, man, I filmed outside first, and then I came to inside, and I couldn't hear, I couldn't see, I certainly couldn't think. It was just crazy. Oh, that's a nice one. King of Hex antennas there. I don't know how well that's showing up, but multi-band, nice. Let's check out outside. For me, this is where it's at. The boneyard, the flea market, whatever you want to call it. This is where you are going to find more stuff, more things, more goodies than anywhere else. And it sprawls and sprawls and sprawls. It goes on and on and on. And that is where I will spend most of today. That is where I'll spend most of this whole weekend, chatting with people, checking out cool stuff. Right away, I'm seeing some cool stuff. Very nice VCR over here. I'm looking for a DVD VCR player for up top. Let's see what we got here. It's a pretty nice one. We found some really nice. Look at those, huh? Very cool. How's it going?
Good. How are you today?
Pretty good.
Which one do you want to take?
Well,
Don't be scared.
my wife might make me scared if I show up with some of this stuff.
I'll even put a tag, property owned.
Yeah. All right, well, it's just before lunchtime, and I'll be honest with you, I'm kind of happy about this change in the weather, but nice little breeze kicked up, and it is now cloudy. Sun was just blazing out there until about 10:30 or so. But here we are about 11:15, and we're in like the boneyard extension here. Man, there's a lot of cool stuff. Gonna walk around, just do some filming of the tables here for a while, and then tomorrow we'll get a couple of interviews in as well, and do that. So let's go.
Oh, I didn't know you could roll. All right. I'll come to you. I brought my room. There we go. Thank you, bud. Seat on. It's real small. There's so much more lawyer stuff. It's like every police department that changed their radio. Yeah. Yeah.
You can also see here it's about lunchtime, and man, the lines for the food. It's a hard place to get in and out of for sure. I brought my lunch with me, so I'm golden. The breeze is starting to pick up. I'm gonna head inside and take a look. Like I said earlier, we go inside, we may not be able to see much of anything. It's usually really crowded, but we're gonna check that out. See what, I haven't been through half these, so we're gonna check and see what we got going on inside. Let me just turn this thing around. And here we go. Let's see what we got. There's Rars Fest. I was there earlier this year. Interesting. Always cool stuff. I'm actually surprised. Usually this place is absolutely filled to the brim. Whistler was still even making radio.
I've upgraded the com job. And just curious, it's probably a little too rich for me. How much for a rock?
Yeah, don't eat it. It says not to eat it.
That'd be tough chewing.
Yeah. Oh, cool.
Wash your hands before you eat lunch.
Yeah.
Wash your hands before you eat lunch. Okay. Oh, got a little hole in it. Oh, plastic bag. Oh, a little plastic bag, yes. I picked up the big plastic bag.
All right. Well, it is about 2:30, 2:40, and I'm exhausted. Bumped into a lot of fellow YouTubers and a lot of fans of the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm getting out of here. I'm tired. I'm gonna head back to my camping spot tonight because of how tired I am. I actually am springing for a hotel. I'll edit this video and try to post it this evening if I have good enough Wi-Fi at said hotel. And we'll be back at it tomorrow. And tomorrow, of course, I got to stop at Skyline Chili. I mean, come on. You can't go to Xena and not check out Skyline Chili, right? Till tomorrow, my friends. Take care.